India's Supreme Court has taken serious note of a controversy surrounding a Class 8 social science textbook published by National Council of Educational Research and Training, which contained references to corruption in the judiciary. The issue reached the Supreme Court of India after a three-judge bench led by Chief Justice Surya Kant along with Justice Joymalya Bagchi and Vipul Pancholi took motu cognizance of the matter. Senior advocates Kapil, Sibal and Abhishek Singhvi had also mentioned the issue before the court seeking an urgent hearing. The controversy arose after NCERT recently published the Grade 8 Social Science textbook Exploring Society, India and Beyond, which included Chapter 4 titled The Role of Judiciary in Our Society. The chapter stated that corruption, a massive backlog of cases, and an inadequate number of judges were among the major challenges faced by India's judicial system. Following the backlash, NCERT issued a public apology and announced that the entire textbook had been withdrawn. Earlier, on February 26, the Supreme Court imposed a complete ban on any further publication, reprinting, or digital dissemination of the book, calling the references offending. The court remarked that such statements were like a gunshot and that the judiciary was bleeding. It also observed that there appeared to be a deep-rooted conspiracy and a calculated move to undermine the dignity of the judiciary. The court ordered that all copies of the book is in circulation be immediately seized and removed from public access. During the latest hearing on Wednesday, the centre informed the court that it had directed NCERT to review textbooks of all classes. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta told the bench that the review would not be limited to Class 8 and that a panel of domain experts would be formed to examine the curriculum. He also assured that the court systematic changes had begun and that no textbook will be published without being vetted by subject experts. Mehta further informed the bench that the NCERT director has filed an affidavit offering an unconditional and unqualified apology over the issue. However, the bench observed that instead of asking NCERT to review the books on its own, the centre should ideally constitute an independent expert committee to examine the curriculum. The court reiterated that protecting the dignity of the judiciary is essential and indicated that the matter will continue to be closely monitored.